What if a machine could perfectly mirror your face, your voice, and your actions? Would you still remain unique, or would AI become your twin? Artificial intelligence can copy your handwriting, your style, even your way of speaking. But is it really you, or just a digital illusion? Imagine AI generating a video of you smiling, walking, or dancing, so real that even your closest friends can't tell the difference. But ask yourself, does AI laugh like you? Does it dream like you? Or is it just repeating patterns from your data? Every picture you post online, every voice message you send, AI can collect and recreate it, building a mirror version of you. If AI can copy your actions, your voice, and your face, what makes you truly you? Is it your memories, emotions, or something deeper? Scientists call it digital cloning. An AI copy that speaks like you, acts like you, but doesn't feel like you. Your clone can exist in multiple places at once, while you are limited to one. But does that make AI stronger or emptier? AI can mimic your voice so accurately that even your family may not recognize the difference. But it has no emotions behind the words. Ask yourself, if an AI looks like you, talks like you, and acts like you, but isn't you, then what are you really? Irreplaceable or copyable? Deep learning allows AI to study millions of faces, voices, and gestures. It doesn't understand them. It just recognizes patterns. That's how AI deepfakes work. They copy your face, paste it into any video, and make it look unbelievably real. Your voice can be cloned with just 30 seconds of audio. AI then speaks in your tone, your accent, even your emotions. AI avatars are now used in news, marketing, even movies. They look human, but behind them, no heartbeat, no soul. When AI creates your double, it isn't just copying your body, it's imitating your digital shadow. Social media fuels AI clones. Every selfie, every video you upload becomes training material for your replica. AI-generated influencers already exist. Perfect faces that never lived, but earn millions online. But can AI truly feel sadness, joy, or love? It can copy your smile, but never the reason behind it. Even art isn't safe. AI can paint in your style, write like you, compose music like you. But art without emotion is hollow, a song without soul. In medicine, AI can copy your health records, predict illnesses, even design a treatment plan. But the copy is only as good as the data. Wrong data, wrong diagnosis. In law enforcement, AI can recreate your walk, your face, your habits. But mistakes could destroy innocent lives. AI doesn't copy reality perfectly. It creates probabilities, not truths. Philosophers ask, if AI makes a perfect copy of you, is that copy also alive, or just an echo? In the future, AI may create digital immortality, your consciousness stored forever. But is that truly you, or just a simulation repeating your memories? AI can copy your choices by studying your past, but it doesn't know why you choose. Your clone could act like you, but would it sacrifice for love, fight for justice, or forgive mistakes? This is the limit of AI. It can copy your face, your voice, even your story, but it cannot copy your soul. Imagine criminals using your AI copy to commit fraud, your face, your voice, your identity stolen in seconds. Ethical experts warn AI copies blur the line between truth and lies. In politics, deepfake speeches could spark wars or manipulate nations. Scientists argue copying isn't consciousness. The human mind is more than data. A perfect AI copy may exist, but it will never write new memories like you do every second. Religion asks, does an AI copy have a soul, or is it just an empty shell? In friendships and love, AI can never replace real bonds. It can talk, but it cannot care. Children growing up may confuse AI copies with real people. Will they know the difference? If AI makes you immortal in digital form, will you still be human, or just a memory file? Future societies may live with AI copies walking among us, indistinguishable from humans. But here's the danger. If a copy looks and acts like you, could it take your place? Jobs, relationships, even identity, everything could be at risk if copies take control. Should we stop AI from copying us, or learn to live with our digital doubles? AI copying humans isn't just technology, it's a mirror reflecting what we choose to share. The question isn't if AI can copy you, it's whether you are more than what can be copied. Your laughter, your love, your dreams. AI may mimic them, but it cannot own them. Technology may build clones, but humanity builds legacies. In the end, AI can copy your face, your words, your style, but never your soul. So, can artificial intelligence copy you? The answer: it can imitate, but never replace. AI may copy your voice, your face, even your actions, but it can never copy your heart, your dreams, your soul. That's what makes you truly human. What do you think? Will AI always remain just an imitation, or one day become indistinguishable from us? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Gurish Discovery for more mind-bending explorations.